or Dutch kickboxing. These are the only two combinations you should do. First of all, let me tell you guys what you guys shouldn't do. You shouldn't train left, 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 or right, 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 right. You shouldn't do right the same side twice. You guys should be training here, basics, jab, jab, a lot of jab for shadow boxing. Once you got that down, jab, bring it back, and then low kick. Jab, low kick. Okay, one more time. Jab, low kick. Jab. Combination number two is cross, and then from here you go with the front leg to the liver. Okay, so right here. You can move the camera here. Yeah. Combination number two is cross, and then from here your foot is really close to the liver. All you gotta do is bring up your foot right here. Why only these two? Because once you get good at combining here and here, okay, here and here, it's also better for the defense. But once you're good at this, once you do it left, left, right, right, it'll be super easy, and you will do it at the right time. But you don't want to make it a habit to go left, left, right, right, because you're open the whole time. If I do this, I'm open. I'm open here and here. If I from here do this, I'm still open here. You guys don't want that. You want to be open, covering, and staying with your head back here, and not coming forward, because then you can get counter and shot it. On this side, same thing. You're already here. So from here, it makes sense to not expose this at the moment you kick. Logical, right? One more time. And that'll be it for this video. Till the next video. Catch y'all later.